children, today let's start with chapter number 16, Government of India. So in this chapter, we'll study about government. We have divided that government into two, that is central government and state. Before independence, 1947, India was under the rule of British Parliament. We did not have many rights. After independence, Indians decided to rule themselves और किससे rule करा? Democracy. Democracy is the rule by the people, of the people, for the people, right? So in this system of government, people choose their leader by voting, and citizens जो above the age of 18 year है, they have right to cast votes in election. Candidates on different political parties, they conduct elections, and India has three tier system of government, एक central level पे, state level पे, local level. India at the central level. Sansad Bhavan, Parliament House situated at the one end of Sansad Marg, New Delhi. All elected people are the member of parliament, जिसको हम MPs कहते हैं. Parliament obey the constitution and make laws for the entire nation. And we have three organs: legislature, executive and judiciary. Legislature जो law बनाता है, executive जो उसको execute करता है, और judiciary जो हमें न्याय दिलवाता है. We have legislature, that is the house of parliament, which has two houses, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Lok Sabha lower house है, house of the people भी कहते हैं. ये more powerful होता है than राज्य सभा. All elected जो MPs हैं वो यहाँ पे बैठते हैं and they're elected for 5 years. Right? There are 545 members including speaker, and 542 MPs are elected and 2 were angry. Then we have Rajya Sabha, that is upper house. इसे हम council of state कहते हैं. यहाँ पे 250 member हैं that are indirectly elected by the members of state legislature. यहाँ पे fixed election होता है. 1/3 of the seats were filled every 2 years. Now, unlike Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha cannot be dissolved. 12 members यहाँ पे nominated हैं by the president of Rajya Sabha, and they choose intelligent people over it. Executive में आपके president, prime minister, councils of minister आ जाते हैं. If we talk about president, so जो president है वो head of the nation है. He is the supreme commander of armed forces, chief justice, governor of state and ambassadors. They are appointed by the president. He had a term of 5 years, and president has to be at least 35. The age होनी चाहिए वो 35 years नहीं है. After Lok Sabha election, the party with maximum number of seats. जिस पार्टी को maximum number of seats मिलती है वो आपकी गवर्नमेंट बनाता है. And the prime minister is the leader, and the council of ministers is chosen by prime minister, जो क्या assist करता है? Carrying out the functions of the government. The prime minister has power. He is appointed by president. He is the leader of the ruling party, and the prime minister also served for term 5 years, but he cannot hold the position with the government first. We have legislative assembly, that is lower house, जिसको हम विधान सभा कहते हैं, इसको हम MLA भी कहते हैं. इनका जो टर्म है वो 5 years. Legislative council, upper house called विधान परिषद, members का जो टर्म है वो 6 year है. Every 2 year 1/3 of the member get change. हर साल में 2 साल में क्या होता है? 2/3 member change. These are the prime minister from first to present. Jawaharlal Nehru, ठीक है, you can see here, ये हमारे सबसे पहले थे, and Narendra Modi is the present prime minister. Now executive, जिसमें आपके governor, chief minister and minister of state आ गए. So the governor, chief minister and minister of state, the executive hand, and the president appoints the governor. He holds the term for 5 years. President works for the country, governor works for the state. Chief minister and the minister of state are elected by voting. ये जो ministers हैं state के वो chief ministers को help करते हैं for the smoothing function. Now governor, head of the state, on appoint करता है president. Next we have state legislature. The highest law making body है state level पे, right? Law made by the legislative assembly applicable है to the resident. The member of the state legislative assembly क्या है? यहाँ पे जो इलीजिएट डायरेक्टली हम इनको इलेक्ट करते हैं. After the state election, party with maximum, जिसके पास maximum number of seats होंगे, the chief minister is the leader chosen by the member of any party, and it's from the law. Then we have judiciary, जिसका काम क्या है? ये आपकी protecting body है. इसका काम होता है लोगों के rights को protect करना, उनके disputes को resolve करना. So जो highest court of justice है, that is the Supreme Court, जो कब बना था? 1774 में. इसके head है chief justice, and 30 other judges are appointed. हाई कोर्ट आपका स्टेट लेवल का होता है, हर अपने स्टेट का हाई कोर्ट होता है. देन वी हैव लोकल गवर्नमेंट. सो वी हैव पंचायत एंड म्युनिसिपल कॉर्पोरेशन. पीपल जो विलेज में होते हैं वो क्या फॉर्म करता है? पंचायत, और जो लीडर होता है वो सरपंच होता है. वहीं जो आपकी टाउन में होता है वो म्युनिसिपैलिटी होती है, म्युनिसिपल कॉर्पोरेशन होती है. इसका हेड कौन होता है? मेयर. राइट. दिस इज ऑल अबाउट द गवर्नमेंट. होप यू अंडरस्टूड. नाउ वी विल मीट इन नेक्स्ट क्लास. That's all for today. Thank you.